Ahoy, check je, we back with another banger. Gaan vragen veel mensen wie is ons. Maar check je, als mijn bra is kai with the stuk van een Top G remix, my bro. You know almost that one. You know almost that one. Isn't it what's his name? That UK guy. Can't come his name, not Freddy, man. It's Freddy. But anyways, man, you'll know that song, man. But yeah, obviously it's no more his song now. It's now Preem song. We repo that, bro. You see, as je niet rente betaalt op je song, en vat ons het aan repo het, zie je. Ja, kom bro.
These niggas broke, but I got love for the ops. That's why I end they suffer when they drop back on their blocks. You know these niggas way too young to get a legal job. Of course they in the street, they in the trap, cooking work, hoping one day he don't fall victim to the heat. Was an independent seller, had youngers addicted to popping like it was bubble wrap. Wasn't involved with the trap, I know why they call it dead. It have you addicted to the green until you see yourself with a toe tag. Ain't it crazy, cracking code in both depend on soda. One be liquid, nigga, the other one it be powder. It ain't no smell, but when it's lit, they inhaling the warmer. Ain't for a suburban, yeah, as I really get vulgar. You know the ops, they say they claiming that they sliders. They food for my dogs for situations getting dire. I'm in the back for them.
The off steady claiming they sliders, they food for my. Just sit. Jiggy. Dit is nou voor die gaan mensen, ne. If you thinking now what the sliders, you see that mini voice rolletjies en then minis. Dit is nou de sliders. You don't must nou call it dit. Van ons wil het die sliders call. Ons weet nie wat call voice rolletjies of hotdoggies. As hy goed is.
Suburban years, I really get vulgar. You know the ops, they say they claiming that they sliders. They food for my dogs when situations getting dire. I'm in the back, but I'ma score here with Maguire. The things that I seek in my life, it's finer. Do you understand what I say?
I'm surprised you use Eddie Maguire for, but I'm surprised.
The ops, they say they claiming that they sliders. They food for my dogs when situations getting dire. I'm in the back, but I'ma score here with Maguire. The things that I seek in my life, you know it's finer. Do you understand when I say how hard to be designer? Well, he got a couple Chanel bags on it in my room, white now, floating off his dead homie. Niggas say I keep this and them boys keep capping. Niggas acting slow like they don't know what the fuck happened. You gotta take the W's and the L's up in the street. That's why I don't respect the scene. Cause how they let that nigga cap a ball up on the beats. And I don't know why he's talking, homie got left on the seat. Tell me, have you found that nigga cuz, yeah? Don't you want El Junkie O did what his feeling is? I don't speak, but my brother speaking numerals. You must have forgotten you more twice at their funeral. Their OGs ain't a face shot. I really wanna know who's stepping for their fucking block. I always had the heart to work, moving parts, I really had to fix. Nigga, how you tryna cost me without no crucifix? Fit no, niggas know it's deadly when we're in the mix. Up block, everybody know that nigga pure bitch. For all the nights my brother's been up in the trap, I gotta put ice up on his wrist. They block is full of bitches, so of course we waste our body count. Careful what you say, little nigga, me and my niggas, you know we stay around. I suggest that you say vigilant, me and my niggas stepping hard with the weight, boy, like a Timberland. Finna get my teeth white and full.
Ik check in mijn club, ik kan het mensen, mijn garage. Anyways, bro.
This shit talking, all the shit that we survived. How the fuck we still walking? Going with, but understood death before I understood life. The shit that in my hand gon' decide. Doesn't end here, it's like I'm rolling the dice. These niggas bitches and fools, so when I put the bag together, you understand that it really be dice. The 4 or 5 be a buffer, bring it closer to Christ. Got a bag for him, told Brody spread the word, but he ain't no preacher. Well, he taught these niggas lessons, but we ain't no teacher. Niggas serving coffee in the trap, but he ain't no fucking barista. The bucks put that fire, I ain't talking about ether. White flesh get exposed, I ain't talking LaBisha.
Ooh, there's a thing that what's name was good. What's her name? With a bald head. Keep my wife's name. Chayda, bro. There's a thing was Lapisha, bro. Nah, that's is it Lapisha or Alopecia or something like that. But yeah, white spots getting exposed, like white flesh getting exposed. Nah, bro. Nah, Preem, you can't wanna retire, bro. You can't wanna retire, bro. Nah, you can't wanna retire, bro. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. After 10 tapes, then you can. After 10 tapes, bro. Nah, but this man stole Fredo's song, bro. That man murdered, bro. I'm sorry, Fredo. It got repossessed now. I almost thought like I got confused between Freddie Gibbs and Fredo Banks. So I was like, it's one of the two. Like it's either Freddy, just Freddy, or it's Fredo. But it's Fredo, yeah. I swear I feel like Andrew Tate. 10 watches like I'm Tate. Da 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 Tate. Do it for every Tate.
I ain't talking about ether. White flesh get exposed. I ain't talking LaPisha.
Lapisha.
Oh, for one of them be there's a camp that no gang is me. Escape woman on me. This Rambo shit with the GPS. G block. Oh, you sure you want war now? You couldn't see to me. You got the push a score.
See, bro. You see, bro. You see, bro. We repose a song, bro. We don't do covers, we don't do remixes, we do repos, bossa. I think you must change that bro to Top G repo, bossa. I'm sorry, Fredo. I'm sorry, Fredo. Fredo, you done very good on the song, but hey, it's SK song now, bossa. It's SK song, bossa. That man murdered it, bossa. That man murdered it, bossa. Check it. Like, comment, subscribe. Say your favorite bar there in the comments, and then yeah. I know I don't post frequently, guys. I'm trying to. Just give me time, man. But I'm gonna post frequently. I'm trying to at least post like a few a week. But yeah, let's drop heat, man. Must drop heat. I'm a react to Rilo's, bro. That I react to Dunks, bro. I think I did already. But anyways, I'm a react to Rilo's, bro. And then yeah, sharp.